What sets the law offices of William Margolin apart in handling reinstatement hearings in Illinois? Attorney William Margolin explains that. There are a lot of attorneys that have expertise in this area, so I can't tell you that I'm the only one you can hire to get a positive outcome, because that's clearly not the case. What I would say is that I've been doing this now since 1988, and I used to be a state's attorney for many years. I prosecuted many misdemeanor and felony DUIs. I prosecuted in a criminal courthouse, and I was, through my prosecution, involved in people receiving convictions of DUIs. As a result of that conviction, their license was then revoked for the same DUI. Now, for the past 24 years, I defend the same cases I used to prosecute. I not only defend the criminal case in court, and I try to avoid a conviction for DUI so I can avoid my clients having to do Secretary of State hearings. I then take my representation a step further when I represent them in criminal court. If we don't get the results we are looking for and their license is revoked, I can then easily transition from defending an individual in the criminal court to representing them in front of the Secretary of State hearing committee or board to try and get back their license. I can see if I'm handling somebody's criminal defense matter and that if the case is not going in the right direction, I most certainly can get them signed up for an evaluation or a treatment that will not only satisfy the criminal court in terms of the penalty that the judge in the criminal court is going to levy on them, but I use the same documentation that we use to try and get them a license back in front of the Secretary of State. Essentially, I am able to handle a case from the beginning when the person walks into my office because he was arrested last night for DUI, all the way to the end of the case, which is where, if their license was revoked, in some situations, we are able to get them back. Many people who handle Secretary of State matters do not have the background that I have, nor are a lot of people in a position to essentially represent the client from the beginning of the process all the way to the end. Schedule a free consultation with attorney William Margolin in Waukegan, Illinois today. He has over 29 years of criminal trial experience and over 24 years of experience in legal representation for Secretary of State driver's license reinstatement hearings.